if log base 2 of 1 over 8 is x, then x is equal to, all right, well, I know that log base b of y equals x can be written as b to the x equals y. So if you're my base, and if you're my y, and x is my x, I can write this out as b to the x equals 1/8. I don't see a calculator there. Ooh, I know what I can do. I know that I can write this out as 2 to the x equals 1 over 2 to the third because 8 is 2 to the third. And since this is on the bottom of a fraction, I can move you upstairs and make the exponent negative. So now that I have a base of 2 to the stuffed power equals a base of 2 to the stuffed power. And when you have the same exact bases equal to each other, their exponents equal to each other. So x in this case is -3. Oh, wasn't that fun?